Hello, and thanks for stopping in. We believe your family's safety and home security is a top priority. We install wireless home security systems and provide remote alarm monitoring services that are surprisingly affordable and proven to help protect both people and property. Property crimes, including burglary, are a common part of the news throughout the United States. Doing what you can to keep your family and property safe and secure is important. Monitored alarm systems are helping protect thousands of your neighbors 24 hours a day, every day. We offer home security systems and monitoring in most of the towns and cities across the U.S. A new home security system, monitored by an industry leader, will help you and your family feel safer in your home and can help prevent you from becoming a victim of crime. Monitored home security systems help protect you, your family, and property 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Home security monitoring services can include burglary and intruder protection, fire and smoke alarms, health emergency alerts, and much more. Even carbon monoxide, temperature, and flood level alerts are available. Numerous customer service monitoring centers are operated with trained security professionals whose only job is to monitor your home or business 24 hours each day, every day. A consistent and rapid alarm response is possible because security professionals are seconds away from contacting police, fire, and emergency personnel located in and around your town. We strive to make your wireless security system activation fast, hassle-free, and very affordable. The wireless home security system installation and activation is surprisingly affordable and can happen as soon as tomorrow where available. With today's unpredictable economy and the possibility of rising crime, we understand that every family is even more conscious of how they spend their money. Your family and valuable property should be well protected so your family can enjoy living free from stress or fear. When you respond today, you'll learn how a simple phone consultation completes the vast majority of the details and paperwork, so your new security system can be installed and you can get back to life. You'll learn how you can have a home or business security system fully installed and activated in as little as 24 hours where available. You'll also learn